So when we decided to offer the advanced cooling solutions, we didn't go for just anything. We chose the best Mitsubishi Electric HVAC system. And bringing these top quality systems to you is Bajaj Steel, a trusted name in engineering for decades. Whether it's a commercial complex, corporate office, luxury bungalow, hospital, hotel or retail showroom, our HVAC solutions are made to match the needs of every type of space. With accurate temperature control, low power use and quiet performance, Mitsubishi Electric system keeps you comfortable all day. And with Bajaj Steel's strong technical team and expert installation, you don't just get a cooling system, you get a long-term value and great service even after the installation. So what are you waiting for? Contact us today.